All right, what's up, traders? This is Mike here with the watch list video for Monday, August 12th. After that nasty gap down on this SPY, it's been climbing every day. You could say on lower volume, and maybe it's just filling gaps. It's still below all the moving averages, right? Maybe it's just filling gaps before it tanks again. I have no idea, and honestly, I don't care because I'm a day trader, right? I like just build a list of stocks to watch for day trades, and it's always good to take a look at the overall market, but predicting what the market's going to do, if you're a day trader, really, to me, there's no money in it, right? Let me slide this over. New members, please pause the video and read that good description of what we're all about. I'm going to go right into stocks that may give us trades on Monday. IOVA, nice gap up, had a good earnings report, at least it looked like, and over this horizontal line could be a nice little breakout area. It did end up selling off intraday Monday, but then went out near the highs. To me, that's a good sign. FTNT kind of consolidating sideways after that big gap up. Certainly could make a profitable move and a profitable setup for us. SGMO, nice curl up again on Friday. And let's keep this one on our radar just because of all the good news. And it does make some pretty decent intraday moves lately. Akamai, AKAM, nice breakout, maybe a follow-through day, maybe an intraday setup that we look for. MGOL. My problem with this one, I don't think there's any news on it. It's just some big Discord room with a huge following probably decided a few days ago, hey, let's run this one, and they're actually fairly successful with it, but you also see some nasty rug pulls, which often occurs when it's just a pump, right? There can still be money to be made, but knowing that it's a pump to me means you should probably trade it a little different than if it had big news. SG, nice pop and a strong close on Friday. Still has another potential catalyst over here from June 7th that it could take out. So let's keep that one on our radar. VSAT could be a third day play. You had the big breakout on earnings, quiet inside red day on much lower volume. A lot of times that can yield a nice third day boom. So we'll keep that on our radar. LUMN. Did put in a green day on Friday. It was on watch, but it's still kind of extended from the moving averages. It's been a big mover, though, so I do want to keep it on watch. I don't love it at this point on the daily chart, but that doesn't mean it can't go, right? OSTX has only been trading for, 7 sessions? So on the second day that it was trading, it put in a high of 490. On Friday, it put in a high of 467. Maybe over that, then we take out the 490 and light up the all-time highs ticker, if you will. Worth noting, though, that I think it only traded like 451,000 on Friday. So it's not. It's a spready kind of whippy trader. So just keep that in mind. I would make the same comment on RGC, but it did have this big move here, put in a little bounce here, and now it's starting to curl up. So. Good volume for that stock on Friday. I think it is worth having on watch. It did halt on Friday, and that's always a problem when you get those stupid volatility halts that you always hear me complain about. EXFY, nice move on Friday, deserves the watch list, I think. BLMN was on bounce watch. No trades in it, no setups in it. Just go whenever I have that, I put it right back on the bounce play watch list for the next day. TGTX had a nice earnings report 4 sessions ago, then gapped up and put in a red day, another red day, and another red day, kind of back down to the moving averages, declining volume on the pullback, putting that on bounce play watch list, on the bounce play watch list. And then lastly, Sava, which I think somewhere in here, SABA had earnings maybe on this day. Obviously, they weren't very well received, so a big red day and another big red day, but either way you look at it, had a massive squeeze from here to here and now has pulled back to the 20-day. So I am putting that on the bounce play watch list. I will see everybody in the pre-market on Monday, and let's work together in the pre-market and add to this list. Let's add a nice gap play list for the morning. All right, I'm done babbling. We'll see you in chat.